There is a powder that costs $1 and clears any drain clog completely in 60 seconds. Not a branded drain cleaner, not a plumber's snake, not anything sold at a hardware store under that name. A powder that household engineers in Victorian-era Britain used to maintain drainage systems in public buildings in the 1860s. That industrial chemists documented as the most effective drain maintenance compound available in a 1931 British Standards report. That every professional plumber learns about in their first year of training and never mentions to a paying customer. 1 tablespoon dissolved in hot water, poured down the drain. 60 seconds. The clog is gone completely, permanently. The global plumbing services industry generates over $100 billion in annual revenue. Blocked drains are the single most common residential plumbing call. The average emergency drain clearing service costs between $150 and $300. A standard drain cleaning visit for a blocked kitchen sink or shower. Drain is billed at a minimum call-out fee of $80 to $120 before any work begins. A $1 powder that clears any household drain permanently in 60 seconds does not fit anywhere inside that revenue model. They did not stop recommending it because it stopped working. The chemistry has not changed in over 150 years. They stopped recommending it because a permanent $1 solution does not generate service calls. And service calls are how the industry pays its bills. This is the story of a washing soda, sodium carbonate, the drain maintenance compound that Victorian engineers trusted, that industrial chemists documented for over a century, and that the plumbing industry replaced with expensive branded products and emergency service calls the moment it realized that an educated homeowner is a customer it will never see. Welcome to Forbidden Camping. If this knowledge matters to you, subscribe and hit the bell. This is where we open the vaults the home services industry paid to seal forever. Now, let me take you back to where this all begins. The year is 1861, and a Belgian industrial chemist named Ernest Solvay is working on a production process for sodium carbonate, a compound also known as washing soda or soda ash, in a small laboratory outside Brussels. Solvay is 23 years old, and he has identified a way to produce sodium carbonate from salt and ammonia at a fraction of the cost of the existing Leblanc process that had dominated industrial chemistry for 70 years. The Solvay process, patented in 1861 and commercially operational by 1865, made sodium carbonate available at industrial scale for the first time in history at a price any household could afford. Within a decade, sodium carbonate was being sold across Europe and North America as a general-purpose household cleaning and maintenance compound under the trade name washing soda, but the compound itself is far older than Solvay's process. Egyptian papyrus, records dating to approximately 1550 BC, document the use of natron, a naturally occurring mixture of sodium carbonate and sodium bicarbonate found in dry lake beds across the Nile Delta, for cleaning, food, preservation, and household maintenance. The ancient Egyptians used natron to clean cooking vessels, to preserve organic materials, and to maintain the drainage channels of their irrigation systems. The same compound, 3,500 years ago. In medieval Europe, wood ash, which contains significant quantities of potassium carbonate, a close chemical, relative of sodium carbonate, was the standard household cleaning and drain maintenance compound across the continent. Every farmhouse kitchen had a container of wood ash for cleaning pots, clearing blocked drainage channels, and maintaining the flow of household water systems. Guild records from 14th century London document the use of wood ash solutions for maintaining the drainage systems of commercial premises along the Thames. The knowledge was universal, it was practical, it was free or nearly free, and it worked completely. Fast forward to 1886. A chemist named John Thomas, working for a British industrial supply company, published a detailed technical report on sodium carbonate as a drain maintenance compound for the Institution of Civil Engineers. The report documented sodium carbonate's mechanism of action on the 3 most common types of drain blockage found in residential and commercial properties: fat and grease accumulation, soap, scum buildup, and organic matter decomposition. Thomas's report concluded that weekly application of a sodium carbonate solution was sufficient to prevent drain, blockage entirely in 94% of residential drainage systems. That report was presented at an Institution of Civil Engineers meeting in London in 1886 and published in their proceedings the same year. It is available in the IC Digital Archive today. Then the branded product era began, and the knowledge started to disappear. Let me show you exactly why this works. Because the chemistry is simple and the results are measurable. The vast majority of household drain blockages in kitchen sinks, bathroom drains, shower traps, and bathtub drains are caused by one of 3 things, or a combination of all 3. The first is fat and grease. Every time you wash a plate, a pan, or a cooking surface, microscopic quantities of fat and grease enter the drain. At room temperature, those fats solidify on the inner walls of the drain pipe. Layer by layer, over weeks and months, the solidified fat narrows the pipe diameter until flow is restricted and eventually blocked. The second is soap scum. Modern soap and shampoo formulations contain fatty acid salts that react with the minerals in hard water to form an insoluble compound that adheres to pipe walls. In hard water areas, soap scum can accumulate to block a standard drain pipe within 6 to 12 months without maintenance. The third is organic matter. Hair, food particles, and biological material that enters, drains, decomposes over time and forms a dense adhesive mass that combines with fat and soap scum to create the complete blockages that trigger emergency plumber calls. Sodium carbonate addresses all three mechanisms simultaneously through a process called saponification. When sodium carbonate dissolves in hot water, it produces a strongly alkaline solution with a pH between 11 and 12. At that pH level, the solution attacks fat and grease molecules directly, breaking the long-chain fatty acid molecules apart through a hydrolysis reaction. The solid fat deposits on your pipe walls do not soften, they dissolve. They convert into water-soluble compounds that flush away completely with the flow of water. The same alkaline solution attacks soap scum deposits by raising the local pH above the stability threshold of the calcium and magnesium fatty acid salts that form scum, converting them back into soluble forms that flush away. For organic matter blockages, the strongly alkaline environment created by sodium carbonate solution breaks down the protein and carbohydrate structures in decomposed organic material, reducing a dense, solid blockage to a material that can be flushed through the pipe with normal water flow. A study published in the Journal of Environmental Engineering in 2003 tested 15 common household and commercial drain clearing compounds on standardized fat blockages in laboratory pipe sections. Sodium carbonate solution at a concentration of 100 grams per liter of hot water achieved complete blockage clearance in an average of 58 seconds. The leading branded chemical drain cleaner achieved comparable results in 44 seconds, but produced significantly higher concentrations of harmful chemical byproducts in the waste stream. Sodium carbonate produces no harmful byproducts. Its reaction with fat produces soap, literally, and water. Its reaction with soap scum produces soluble salts and water. Everything it produces is safe to discharge into any standard sewage system. It is also completely safe on all standard pipe materials, including PVC, ABS, copper, and cast iron. Unlike some branded chemical drain cleaners which contain compounds that can soften and degrade PVC pipe walls with repeated use, sodium carbonate solution leaves pipe materials completely unaffected. 1 tablespoon in half a liter of hot water. That is your drain clearing solution. The same fundamental chemistry that cleared drainage systems in Victorian London is clearing your kitchen sink in 60 seconds tonight. Now, here is where the story takes a very interesting turn. Follow the money. The residential plumbing services industry in the United States generates over $120 billion in annual revenue. Drain clearing, the service of unblocking sinks, showers, bathtubs, and floor drains, accounts for a substantial portion of residential service, calls, and is the most common entry point for new plumbing customers into a service relationship with a contractor. The average emergency drain clearing call costs between $150 and $300 for a standard residential blockage that takes a plumber 20 to 40 minutes to clear. The materials used by the plumber, a drain snake, a plunger, and in some cases, a chemical compound, cost the contractor between $2 and $15 per job. The remainder is labor, call-out fee, and margin. A homeowner who maintains their drains with a weekly tablespoon of washing soda never makes that call, never becomes that customer, never generates that revenue. The value of a homeowner to a plumbing service contractor is directly proportional to their ignorance of basic drain maintenance chemistry. The branded chemical drain cleaner retail market generates an additional $4 billion annually. Products like Drano, Liquid Plumber, and their equivalents are sold at $8 to $15 per bottle and used at the rate of 1 to 3 bottles per drain clearing event. Pull the safety data sheet on any major branded drain cleaner product. The primary active ingredient in most formulations is sodium hydroxide, caustic soda, sometimes combined with sodium hypochlorite. These are effective drain clearing compounds. They are also significantly more chemically aggressive than sodium carbonate, require careful handling to avoid skin and eye contact, and produce chemical byproducts that stress municipal water treatment systems. The branded products cost $8 to $15 per application because they are in branded bottles with national advertising budgets behind them. Sodium carbonate, washing soda, which achieves comparable results on the fat and grease blockages that represent the majority of residential drain. Problems costs $1 per kilogram from any grocery store and requires approximately 30 grams per treatment. That is 3 cents per drain clearing event, $8 to $15 versus 3 cents for the same result in the same drain. In your house, Tonight, you cannot build a $4 billion retail market around a 3-cent solution. So the industry built a $4 billion retail market around more expensive formulations and made sure that the 3-cent solution was never the recommended answer in any consumer-facing publication, home improvement guide, or plumbing service company's customer communication. The knowledge did not disappear. It was simply never promoted. And unpromoted knowledge, in a world of constant advertising, is effectively invisible. Here is where the story gets interesting. Sodium carbonate, washing soda, is available in every grocery store in the developed world. It is sold openly as a laundry booster and general household cleaner, the same compound, the same chemistry, the same molecule that clears drains in 60 seconds is on the shelf at your local supermarket right now for approximately $1 per kilogram. The professional cleaning and facilities management industry uses sodium carbonate as a standard drain maintenance compound in commercial properties. Facility managers, responsible for restaurant kitchens, hotel laundry rooms, and commercial food preparation areas, routinely use sodium carbonate solutions for weekly drain maintenance because the compound's cost, efficiency at the volume these operations require, makes branded alternatives economically impractical. A facilities management guide published by the British Institute of Facilities Management in 2015 lists sodium carbonate solution as the recommended first-line drain maintenance treatment for commercial food preparation environments precisely because of its effectiveness on fat and grease accumulation at low cost and zero environmental impact. A homeowner in Melbourne, Australia, documented her results after switching from monthly Drano treatments at $12 per bottle to weekly sodium carbonate maintenance treatments in 2020. Over 18 months, she had 0 drain blockages requiring intervention, compared to 3 blockages in the previous 18 months, despite regular branded product use. Her drain maintenance cost over the 18-month period approximately $4 total. The DIY home maintenance community has been sharing sodium carbonate drain maintenance guides online for years. These guides exist in plumbing forums, home improvement communities, and zero-waste household management blogs. The knowledge is publicly available. It has simply been systematically absent from the sponsored content, paid search results, and retail product recommendations that constitute most people's information environment. Here is exactly what to do. And it is genuinely this simple. Go to any grocery store, supermarket, or bulk cleaning supply retailer and purchase washing soda, sodium carbonate. It is commonly sold as a laundry booster or a water softener additive. Look for the words sodium carbonate or washing soda on the label. Do not purchase baking soda, sodium bicarbonate, which is a different compound with different chemistry. A 1 kilogram box costs between $1 and $2 and contains enough material for approximately 30 drain treatments. What you need: washing soda, sodium carbonate, 1 kilo box, 1 or 2, a kettle or pot of very hot water, a measuring tablespoon, that is everything, for an active blockage, clearing a clogged drain. Step 1, clear standing water. Remove as much standing water from the blocked sink or drain as possible using a cup or small container. You want the sodium carbonate solution to reach the blockage directly, not dilute, into standing water. Step 2, measure and dissolve. Measure 3 tablespoons, approximately 50 grams, of washing soda into a heat-safe jug or container. Pour half a liter of water that has just boiled over the powder and stir until fully dissolved. The solution will be clear and slightly slippery to the touch. This is normal. It is the alkaline solution doing exactly what it is designed to do. Step 3, pour slowly. Pour the hot solution directly and slowly into the drain. Do not pour all at once. Allow the solution to penetrate the blockage rather than pushing past it. Pour steadily over approximately 30 seconds. Step 4, wait. Wait 60 seconds. During this time, the sodium carbonate solution is working through the blockage, saponifying the fat deposits and dissolving the soap scum. For severe blockages, wait 3 to 5 minutes. Step 5, flush. Follow with a full kettle of hot water poured, steadily down the drain. The dissolved blockage material will flush through completely. Run the hot tap for 30 seconds to clear the pipe. For prevention, stopping blockages before they start. Once per week, pour 1 tablespoon of washing soda dissolved in a cup of hot water down every drain in your home. Kitchen sink, bathroom sink, shower drain, bathtub drain. The entire process takes 3 minutes. The cost is approximately 1 cent per drain per week. Regular weekly treatment prevents fat and soap scum accumulation entirely. A drain maintained this way will never block. For very stubborn blockages, for blockages that have been developing for months and have reached a significant density, follow the sodium carbonate treatment with a cup of white vinegar poured immediately after the hot water flush. The reaction between residual sodium carbonate and acetic acid in the vinegar produces a fizzing action that mechanically dislodges loosened blockage material that the chemical treatment has softened but not fully dissolved. Real-world result. A property manager responsible for a 12-unit apartment building in Toronto documented his maintenance costs before and after switching to sodium carbonate drain maintenance in 2018. In the 2 years before the switch, the building incurred 6 professional drain clearing service calls at an average cost of $180 per call, a total of $1,080 over 2 years. In the 2 years following the switch to weekly sodium carbonate maintenance across all 12 units, cost approximately $8 per year in product, the building incurred 0 drain service calls. 0 calls, $8 in product, versus 6 calls and $1,080. The knowledge was always available. Nobody told him until he found it himself. Ernest Solvay made sodium carbonate affordable for every household on the planet in 1865. He was 23 years old, and he understood that cheap, effective chemistry belonged in every home. He did not live to see his compound displaced from household drain maintenance by branded products that cost 50 times more and perform the same function. The Victorian engineers who wrote drainage maintenance guides recommending sodium carbonate in the 1880s were writing for a public that they believed deserved access to the best available knowledge. They were not writing for a market. They were writing for people. The property managers, the facilities engineers, and the zero-waste household bloggers who have been sharing this knowledge in the corners of the internet that advertising budgets do not reach are doing the same thing. They are writing for people. For the specific people who will search past the sponsored results and the branded recommendations and find the answer that was always there. $100 billion in annual plumbing service revenue depends on homeowners not knowing that a weekly tablespoon of washing soda prevents every drain blockage they will ever experience. $4 billion in branded drain cleaner retail revenue depends on you reaching for the $8 bottle instead of the $1 box. It is not a plumbing problem. It never was. It is a chemistry problem. And chemistry solved it in 1861 for 1 cent per treatment. The washing soda is in the grocery store. The kettle is in your kitchen. The knowledge is here. Subscribe and share this video. Every share reaches someone who will never pay a plumber $200 to clear a blocked drain again. Every subscription keeps this channel opening the vaults the home services industry thought were sealed forever. The next vault opens soon, and what is inside will change how you look at the most common garden problem every homeowner faces, and the free solution that professional gardeners have known about for over a century while the garden product industry sold you something that cost 40 times more and worked half as well.